It's cold and it's rainy here in Virginia, and I want springtime. But that's not going to happen anytime soon. So, here's what's happening around here today. Mud. 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 You're soaking wet, Elizabeth. Well, it's your fault, not mine. You have a perfectly good coop to sleep in. Look at poor Bo here. Bo, you're soaking wet. Oh, my goodness. You do realize you have this giganto coop, right? Hello, Esther. Esther was rebred a couple days ago by Old Blue here. I did decide to breed her with Old Blue because I'm not sure that Luke was old enough to breed her last time, which is what I think caused a false pregnancy or miscarriage. So, I think she's pregnant this time. He got a couple good fall-offs on her in less than 2 minutes, so I think he's ready for springtime babies. I see you guys are congregating underneath of the coop. No wonder you're soaking wet. We have so many eggs. So many.
And so many candy.
Our seeds are sprouting. These are cherry tomatoes and black giant tomatoes.
You want to see my candy?
No.